Alright guys, so third day ngayon, Northern Ferris, and for sure mas maraming tao ngayon. So ready naman kami ni Pare Crowd. Nag-jog pa siya, ako natulog lang. Alright guys, first client for today, si Ma'am.
Una, soy la Judith, estoy aquí para mis zapatos.
Bago pa lang ma'am, pinatayin nyo na? Taken po. Kasi yung mga shade di ba? Parang tie-dye, nagmaman siya. Pero itong namin, hindi naman matapang. Since natural cleaner. Puti pa.
I like the experience. When they clean my shoes, it improved a lot.
Yes, I'm a teacher.
Oh.
I'm 73 years old. I'm 73 years old. And I want you to learn how to clean by coming here and let La Union. Okay, that one. To clean it for you, okay, for free. So you don't have to bend, okay? And then look at my shoes now. No problem, okay. Cut.
Excited for my Soul Protect. I got my shoes nice and clean. They were extremely dirty and they're so much better. Thank you, Soul Protect.
Okay guys, pupunta ka na sa parking. 30 kits ang in-order nila sir. So, thank you.
Wow! try on my shoes and it was so clean, so good.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
So, pwedeng hi kayo sa camera.
So nice. Kaya nga kailangan mabilis talaga tayo. Ito, kasi sayang oras eh. Kahit ako bro, ganun na rin lagi mag oras. Sayang.
Time is currency talaga.
Kaya
Verbs Media is here.
Hili na kayo guys. Sulit. Yan guys, pumili tayo ng tatlo. Ayan, dahil sa sobrang ganda ng gawa nito. Sulit, kaya. Sa mga naghahanap ng instant shoe cleaning kit, ito ang maganda para sa inyo guys. Soul Protect, di ba? Huwag na kayo mag-antay pa dahil paubos na to. 3 na nga binili ko. So,
Hi guys! So yun, Friday pa lang pero pa-sold out na yung cleaning kit natin and ang daming business na naganap, ang daming gustong mag-invest sa atin. So we're very grateful and at the same time we're overwhelmed kasi ang daming gustong mag-invest sa atin and makipag-social sa atin. So hindi natin alam na ganito pala yung magiging result ng trade fair. It's our first time so wala tayong idea at all. Gumalaw ka lang talaga and do the right thing and believe in yourself.
Yes, exactly.
Doon talaga pumapasok ang blessing. And of course, tiwala tayo kay God always. Diba?
Hindi namin na-expect na makakapag-sell kami ng bulk orders. Grabe. Singit ko lang din konting halaman. Ayan, ito yung main reason kung bakit kami pumaldo ng
Drink
gusto.
quality water.
Yes.
Right.
Bakit?
Yan.
Bakit kailangan natin mag-drink ng quality water?
Hindi ko rin alam eh. Yun lang sabi ni Boss Frank.
Yes.
Naniniwala kami kay Boss Frank Mendoza of MNLA. Idol namin siya eh. So yun. Drink
Yes.
quality water.
Yes. Quality water means quality life. Yan. Yan talaga yun eh.
Alright guys, so yun lamang and hopefully naka-inspire kami sa Di pa natin alam kung ano yung mga susunod na mangyayari sa atin but tira lang ng tira and magtrabaho lang tayo and ayun, magsilbi sa tao. So yun, so far everyone liked the product so we're very overwhelmed and thankful na ganun pala yung naidudulot natin sa mga kababayan natin. So
Yes, this is for you guys and we just want to educate. What about the kagandahan dito when it comes to shoe industry? Kung ano yung kagandahan ng shoe cleaning guys?
yeah, kung in a proper way and everything. So yun, hindi natin alam kung aabot pa ba yung bukas yung natin. Kasi 8 PM pa lang and marami pang pumupunta. So yeah, walang this na para makapag-upload na agad kami for today's vlog. Right?
Yan, so hindi nga tayo nakapag-intro. Yun, another day, another soul. So guys, habol kayo dito sa EDSA Shangri-La. Yan, we're still here at Saturday up until Sunday. This is last day na namin. So habol kayo guys, marami pa. Marami pa ba?
Wala
Wala na actually. Habol pa kayo guys.
Baka hindi na umabot sa Sunday. So, mag-announce na lang kami anyway. So, alright, see you guys. Goodbye. Good night.